Hey there, it's Crystal from the Mastery Math Lab. In this video, we're going to be solving squared equations. Let's go ahead and look at the equation x minus 5 squared equal to 64. Well, because we're given a binomial that is squared equaling a squared number, we're able to take the square root of both sides. Remember that when we take the square root, we need to say that there is a positive and negative root. And this is because a negative squared is equal to the same number as a positive number squared. So, in this case, the square and the square root are going to cancel themselves out, leaving us with x minus 5. And then on this side, we're going to be left with a positive and negative 8. So, in order to find out how much one single x is equal to, we're going to need to add 5 to both sides. That's going to leave us with x equaling 5 plus 8 and x equaling 5 minus 8. 5 plus 8 is equal to 13, and 5 minus 8 is going to give us negative 3. But we always should check our answers, so let's go ahead and do that on the next page. When x is equal to negative 3, we're going to look at x minus 5 squared equal to 64. And we're going to go ahead and use our set of parentheses to make sure that we don't get any numbers confused. Alright, and here we go. So negative 3 minus 5 is going to be negative 8, and negative 8 squared is in fact 64. So x equaling negative 3 is definitely one of our solutions. Let's go ahead and check for when it's equal to 13. When x is equal to 13, and we're dealing with x minus 5 squared equal to 64, once again we're going to go ahead and open up our parentheses, minus 5 here, squared equal to 64. 13 minus 5 is going to give us 8, and 8 squared is equal to 64. So this number works as well. Now we can confidently say that x is both equal to negative 3 and 13. I hope this video helped, but if you still need a little bit more practice, please feel free to come visit us in GL 263.